Hey Bulldogs, Sarah the wife again. In this video snippet here, you're going to see the first few steps that we took in part 1 of this video. This is part 2 of a 2-part series. So as you can see, Justin whipped out the tiller, the chain harrow, and the Cultipacker to tear out the existing sod of this homeowner's backyard, which absolutely sucked. He wants to have a wedding on it and wanted the whole thing blown out and redone from scratch. Here's part 2, guys. Take a look.
Well, 18 tons of dirt. It's about the biggest I can get delivered in a single load, and we're trying to get the most to save on trip charges, that kind of stuff. But it's good stuff. It's premium pulverized topsoil with compost. They say it's about 30% sand, which also helps with lawn leveling. Side note, tangent, if you're gonna start leveling lawns, 50% is about my cutoff point before it becomes just too much sand. Sure, sand's gonna level a lawn the best, no argument, no question. Problem is, sand does not have organic nutrients, right? So grass can't grow in 100% pure sand unless you pump it full of steroids, right? Just keep dumping nitrogen at it, then it'll grow. What does grow in sand is weeds. So 50-50 is kind of my break even. This is about 30%, and that'll be just perfect. So 18 tons, we better get to work.
Fun little side note, this was truckload 1 of 6. 18 tons each of premium pulverized topsoil. Yes, that is how many truckloads it took to level this lawn. We cut it down to just a couple scenes for the sake of brevity.
Well, good morning. Today we're going to roll it, Cultipack it, seed it, Cultipack it again, maybe even get to hydroseeding. We got a lot to do. Let's do it. Well, how does that look, huh? Leveled, brought up 120 tons of topsoil, leveled it, tilled it, leveled it, rolled it, compacted it, fertilized it, seeded it. Now, where's that hydroseeder? All right. Okay. So now what we gotta do is put our paper mulch into the hopper. Hoofta. Already put a couple in. Then we'll turn it on. And we'll start to, yuck. And we'll start mulching away. Yeah. We're just breaking mulch apart, dumping it in the hole. You can take big ones like this, right? Boom, stuff them all in. That one's going to be hard to mix up. We're just going to undo our bad idea. Try to get it a little smaller. And what a mess it makes. Actually cleaned it up for the camera shot. Don't really know if we needed to do that. All right, contact. There's the bale buster. Yeah, here we go.
Like we're running out. We made just enough.
Ooh-wee. Well, I'd say we measured pretty good. Came out just about spot on. All we gotta do now is catch my breath and not pass out. Wind up the hose, then we're gonna take some other water back at home, spray it out, and then just keep running it with clean water till it cleans out. Probably about 30 to maybe 50 gallons. About 30 gallons should clean it all out. And we'll just spray it on our residential lawn and the backyard. Boy, she's done.
Excellent work, sweetheart. Great job.
A lot of work. A lot of work. Yeah. Hey, remember, if I can do this, you can too. And if you like what you see, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
And drink lots of water.
Drink lots of water. And if it's your birthday, happy birthday.
Stay in school. Don't do drugs. Bye guys.